Hey everybody, it's Neil and Penny. Hello, Penny. And she's been driving me crazy with these talons of hers. Oh my God, these claws are huge. I usually been cutting her hair and I haven't been cutting her nails, and so she is clawlicious. So we got this here. This is the YABIFE, I guess is what the brand is. Electric Pet Nail Grinder. So we're gonna show you guys what this thing is here and see how it works here. Here's our instructions on the back of how it works. Hopefully it should be pretty straightforward. We just put her nails on it and it should cut them down. So let's see what we got in the box. We have the instructions. We have a charging cord, which is USB to USB-C. We have an extra grinding wheel. It looks like here, a little grinding wheel. Put that back in there so I don't lose it. We have the nail grinder. I'll open that up here. There. And I'll show you that in a second. And then we have some nail, clippers here. She's just licking me. And some, and a little cleaning thing here. So I guess the way these are gonna work is to just kind of clip her little nails. I would put them on there. Oh, yeah. Well, I'm gonna have to do the sitting down, but you would just go and clip that there. I'm not gonna be able to do it holding it in my hand. So that'll be it there if you've used nail clippers before. And then here, this is a little locking clipping thing here. And then this one here, we have the, what is this? Oh, that's a light. And then the power. Do we need batteries or something here? Oh no, it's rechargeable. Well, it might need batteries in it right now. It might need to be charged. I just opened it up out of the box. But it looks like you'll push the button on here to start it, and then that there. Let me see if there is anything to do. Let me see. I have a USB cord right over here. Yeah. You can see right now. You can see it's doing its charging thing there. And it'll work while it's charging. So this is it. So it's spinning on there, and then I will just go and Penny, look at you. I can just go and put her nails. Holy crap, those talons are long. And put those on there for that. So I'm not gonna do it right now while I'm holding her, but you get the idea. It actually works. That's pretty cool. And I'm gonna let this thing finish charging, and then I will give her a proper nail cutting with that thing, and then do that. But holy mackerel, her nails are long. Can't wait to do this. So very cool, nice little kit. So love it, thumbs up.